In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an EZ bar bicep curl. Now, firstly, the most common question I get asked on this as a trainer is, where do my hands go? Do they go in more of a narrow stance grip like so, palms facing up, wrapping the hands around in that narrow stance, or if I turn this upside down with this ridge pointing down, do the hands go in a wider grip? Now, firstly, if you do the wider grip, it's going to work on the width of the bicep. If you do the narrow grip, it's going to work on the bicep peak. So both work the bicep, you can't go wrong. They're not working different muscles. One works the peak, that narrow variation. The wider grip works the width. So let's start off with the narrow version first. So what I want you to do, I'm going to pick this up with a nice straight back. I'm going to have my fingers, two of which on this variation of the EZ bar are going to be in contact here with the metal mesh, and two on the clear bar. I'm going to wrap my fingers around, palm up grip, elbows into the side, and from here I'm going to bring my elbows into a flexed position and slowly lower down under control, all whilst keeping my elbows locked into my sides and my shoulders back. I want to make sure I come down nice and slowly to control the weight, and I come down as far as I can. What you don't want to do is start using the hips and momentum when you're doing the exercise. Make sure you're nice and strict and rigid with regards bracing the core in and keeping the lower back nice and stable. Now, for the wide grip variation, you'll notice here for that narrow grip, I had this part of the EZ bar pointing up. I'm now going to point this down. What I'm going to do is get my hands a little bit wider. You'll notice all of my fingers now are in contact with the mesh of the EZ bar. Same cues as before. I've got a palm up grip. I'm then going to come up with a nice straight back. If I come side on, elbows locked into the body, shoulders back, core braced, and from here, flexing the elbow, slowly back down. Flexing the elbow, slowly back down. Again, trying to initiate all the movement from the elbow using the bicep. You'll also have a lot of forearms working here to be able to stabilize as well as your shoulder joint. That's how to do an EZ bar bicep curl with both the narrow and wide grip. You repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.